What's going on, guys? Just here to make a disclaimer. The video that you're about to watch was actually filmed for my older channel about 3 to 4 years ago. So things might look a little different, quality might be a little worse. Since then I've learned how to edit better, video better. So just know that the quality of this video isn't what I uphold my current videos to. So that's why they look a little off. So yeah, enjoy. What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to restore my mini bike. Alright, so this is my 49cc 2-stroke Cat Eye pocket bike. I got secondhand from my boss. Now, while it runs great and all, it doesn't look the best. Could use a new paint job. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bike all apart, clean or wire brush every bolt, paint the body, and replace anything that needs replacing. Basically, a complete restoration on this mini bike. And I'm going to be videotaping the whole process from start to finish. So let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going to time myself to see how long it takes to disassemble the whole bike. Starting now. Okay, so it's taken apart. I have all the pieces on the floor. My camera stopped recording like halfway in, but it was the same thing that you saw, pretty repetitive. It took about 20 minutes, not counting taking out all the wires and cables, because I had to be more careful on that, because obviously I didn't want to rush it and then later on not know where to connect what. But this is it. It's pretty heavy. But I thought it was aluminum, but it's not. It's actually galvanized, but which is cool, so I could weld onto it later. Okay, so I've been thinking about how I'm going to attack this, and I think the best way to do it is to do the big stuff first. So the frame, the back piece of the frame, the tires, the forks, and then from there on out do the smaller and smaller until I get to the bolts and stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is power wash it. I'll leave that in the sun to dry a bit, and while that's drying, I'll take apart the wheels. So the way I clean disc brakes is I just get a flat piece of 500 grit paper, put it on a flat surface like a table, pour some water on it, and then just start sanding until the whole disc brake comes out evenly sanded. This way it cleans up the glaze, you get better stopping power, gets rid of rust or any minor scratches that are on here. Alright, so you could totally tell the difference between which one was sanded and which one was not. I kind of hit the wire wheel to hit some of these deeper grooves in here, but other than that, with some sanding, all this rust and crap comes off. While the frame pieces are drying, I'm going to put everything back together, starting with the disc brakes on the wheels. See, the Pocket Bike is coming out pretty good. It's better than I expected, to be honest. The paint came out glossy, so that's a good thing. There's no runs on the paint, either on the blue or on the black where I painted, or on the rims, for that fact. As you can see, before I painted it, it was all like, there was a bunch of rough spots on the paint, existing paint that's on the bike. I kind of thought, you know, I'm painting it with cheap paint, so the chances of it scratching off later on are pretty high. So what's the point of like going all the way down to bare metal? If I ever put the 125 engine, I will send it somewhere to you know, scrap it down all the way to bare metal. That way I could do everything properly and paint it, you know, with actual real paint, not just spray paint. But for now, it's pretty good. I think I'm gonna do a two-parter video because this thing, I'm like halfway done and I still have to do, you know, a bunch of smaller stuff. So yeah, there's gonna be a second part. Watch for that one too. Subscribe if you like this video. Go ahead and like it. Until next video.